You've probably seen Skool all over your feed lately, but is it actually worth it? Before spending hundreds of dollars, I decided to start on the cheapest $9 hobby plan to just see how far we can take it. In this video, I'm going to share the real numbers, the lessons I've learned, and what's next for this little $9 experiment. Hey, I'm Sarah. I run a community around murder mystery, games, and digital products. I'm also a tech and marketing VA, and I specialize as a customer success manager. I really want to document my journey through Skool because I know so many of you are curious about it and haven't taken the leap, and it can feel really daunting and you're really not really sure where to start. And I chose the $9 hobby plan on purpose. It's the absolute lowest tier. There's not many fancy features, and my goal was to simply show you what's possible starting at the very bottom so you don't have to waste loads of money, time and stress figuring it out. Okay, so I'll be honest with you here. This isn't my first rodeo. I have launched memberships in the past, and I do work for 6- and 7-figure coaches. I'm lucky enough to work with one of the best membership coaches in the industry on their team. So I have got a lot of experience and knowledge, but I wanted to share step by step behind the scenes of what it looks like of launching a $9 community. I've decided to create a community around my side hustle. So I sell printable murder mystery games on Etsy. I've got over 1,100 sales, and everybody's always asking me, how do you create the games? Can I create my own games? And it's not just people in the industry, it's also a lot of customers message me and ask me, can they edit them? Can they do a DIY? The story's not quite right. So I thought, you know what? Let's give this a go. It's a question that somebody always asks me. It is a problem that somebody has, and I have got the solution. It's a really unique niche, and you know what? It's actually fun. So it's going to really tick the 3 boxes of what your idea of your community could be. That is it profitable? Is it practical, i.e. does it fit into your lifestyle? And also, is it something that you're passionate about? I could have started up a Skool community around marketing or how to become a VA or around tech. But do you know what? It's kind of feeling a bit like a muggle job to me at the moment. I absolutely love my clients. I love what I do. I love doing customer success work, but I wanted to just do something different and a little bit fun. This bit that's not out there. And plus, it's a hobby plan. So I wanted to try and get into the hobby niche. So here is where I am at right now. I've grown to nearly 280 members in the community. It is a free community right now. I've added 333 new email subscribers, and it's growing every day to my email list. I've hosted my very first live games night. I've also started community engagement projects, and I have launched my first mini course. So I've put a free mini course, and this is a community engagement initiative when they reach 2 in Skool. So reaching 2 in Skool means if you make 5 interactions, 5 people like your content inside the community, this course unlocks. This helps me build engagement. It helps build the community vibe. And I really want to reward those action takers. And guess what? All of this has been without running Facebook ads. In fact, my ad account is banned right now. So everything I've had to do has had to be through organic growth. So the biggest driver, I would say, of the growth is being through collaborations. Now, if you guys haven't heard of this concept before, a digital bundle is where a group of business owners get together in the same niche. So we complement each other and we all put in a free product. In my case, I gave templates, and then we all send it out to our email list. What that's resulted in, we're leveraging each other's audience, and also we're getting in front of new people, right? They're just so amazing for fast list building, and it's been absolutely amazing. I've just now applied to 3 more bundles that are inside my niche. I couldn't quite believe it that I found stuff in the games market, but I've also kind of applied for like digital product stuff and also some writing niches as well, because my kind of audience is going across B2C, B2B right now, and also live events. So I did my first live murder mystery games event last week. It went absolutely amazing. I absolutely loved it. It gave me an idea for training the community. I got to meet people on camera, and it just really, really helped that connection. And it was actually really fun. What have I learned? My 3 biggest lessons so far is making sure that you show up every day, like every single day, go in. And if people are quiet in the community, start posting. You have to be the first person, right? Sometimes we have to be the leader of the community. And even if it feels like you're posting and nobody's watching, trust me, people are. Also, what I did to kind of remedy that, I put in a community engagement activity called a mystery mission. Now, a mystery mission is a little tiny task that's on the theme of murder mystery, and it's around, I've done a character creation, and we've just did one around creating a clue for a murder mystery game. That's really helped. Also, if you do find bundles that you want to participate in, I would definitely look at making sure that you're ready to have a big influx of members, because I wasn't expecting it. I was thinking maybe 10, 15. I got over 330 on my email list alone. And then I think we've had around 100 members just from that one bundle. And I wasn't expecting them all to come in. And I did decide to take a few days off for the summer holidays. So try and kind of plan your time around that. Engagement matters more than vanity metrics. 280 members may feel like a small, drop in the pond to some of these big school creators, but you can convert really well on small numbers. So focus on small wins, getting people to level up, attend the call. It really does matter. The third lesson is the $9 plan goes further than you think. Yes, there are limitations. Okay, so the three noticeable limitations that I've noticed are you cannot send a welcome DM. So when traditionally on the $99 plan, when someone joins the community, you can set up an automation where there is a DM sent to them welcoming the community. I've happened to be doing that manually, and I haven't always kept up with it. There's no metapixel tracking right now. That doesn't matter to me because I'm not doing ads. Hopefully I will be doing ads, and I will be looking at different strategies around that, which will probably be creating lookalike audiences. And also there's no affiliate system, so you won't be able to ask your members to share and make some money from sharing your community. But proof of concept of your idea, of your community, it's absolutely incredible. So what's next for me? I'm going to create another mini training inside the community. I am probably going to do that as a low-cost offer. I'm toying between the idea of a low-cost offer or another engagement activity that's at a bit of a high level. I am building a workshop out, which will be a workshop, and that's going to upsell into a murder mystery training course. Now, I've got a live workshop coming, but Skool is introducing subscription tiers. I'm waiting to see what that announcement is, because I'm hoping it's going to be available in the $9 plan. If it is, I am going to put a subscription tier inside my $9 free membership that's going to have access to this course. I'm going to test it out. We have to test things. I'm not set on the plan at the moment, and I am going to be working it through with my own coaches. So yeah, I'm just going to wait and see what that happens, but I will definitely update you as soon as it comes out, and I'll tell you my thoughts. So can you build a real community on just $9 a month? Based on my experience, the answer is yes. So can you build a real school community on just $9 a month? Based on my experience right now, yes, you can. I haven't monetized fast enough. I probably could have monetized quicker. I am trying to take a more pragmatic approach and learn more about my community, because I know what I'm going to sell. But if you don't know, you can start monetizing that community straight away. Also, if you've got an idea and you haven't got much money, I know a lot of us don't have a lot of money, or you don't want to spend $100 to find out. It's such a good way to test out your community idea and just get people in there. It's got courses, it's got monetization, it's got an about page, it's got a funnel, it's got everything that you need to get people in. You can do it and just start the bare bones and work your way up. If you've been curious about Skool and haven't tried it yet, I'll leave my affiliate link below. That's the exact $9 plan I'm using, so you can test it out yourself. Also, if you are interested in murder mystery, crime, game creation, digital product, you just want to come along, I will leave the link for my community below as well. And if you want to follow along as I grow this case study, subscribe here, because I'm going to be documenting every step of the journey. Thank you so much for watching.